YouTube, how are you doing? I just wanted to jump on here and start today's video off in my work at home office. I know you're not too sure exactly. This room just has the baseball and baseball glove and bat there, along with the handy dandy doorknob. Just joking, actually it does, because it's a little attic door. And I am actually in the man cave. I work at home side of the man cave over here, and I am coming at you because I'm working a whole lot right now. So I just wanted to go ahead and jump on here and share a little bit of information about my current status working for this amazing company. Now with this amazing company, they do offer a very good wage working at home. You do have to be very flexible. The position that I am at is for a licensed life and health person that does have experience in that field as well. However, even if you don't, no worries there, I still got you covered. They do hire for many other positions, and then they also have non-insurance positions that they hire for, along with travel positions that they hire for, and then of course along with the the cell phone providers there. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say client names, so I'm not divulging any client names, and speaking of not divulging names, the only way to get on with this company, at least for me, is if you do, well, not the only way, I came out wrong, to skip ahead of the staffing agency line. If you want to reach out to me and send me a quick email at theunpopularmom.com, theunpopularmom at theunpopularmom.com. I should have changed that a long time ago. Sorry, didn't. That is the email address that you can reach me at these days. And you can just email me some information, just being your name, your email address, how this company can reach out to you. And the process is that they will send you an application. Once you get that submitted, they will then give you a phone call and kind of discuss what jobs you're interested in as well. Then they do hire for out of the country, out of the USA. They hire all around the globe. The pay does range anywhere from $14 to $25 an hour and up, depending upon your skill set and your previous experience. If you have management experience and whatnot, they do hire management lines as well for these positions too. So definitely reach out to me and I can get you more detailed information. I just can't provide the name of the company on the video. I possibly could, but I don't know that for sure. So therefore, as a customer service position, like I said, pay ranges 14 to 24 an hour. You must be very open. They do wind up changing shifts a good bit here, at least for the licensed health positions. They are open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. And then if they do put you something that you can absolutely not work for whatever reasons, you can always get with your supervisor and they can get with the workforce department and get you changed, possibly to a position or to a hour schedule that you can actually work with. So they are a little bit flexible, and that means I have known them to change some positions out or sometimes like that. But it's an excellent company. If your availability is not to where you can just work any shift, and when I say any shift, they do try to keep you all in the same time frame. Like I started with the 8 a.m. shift. After training, it was 8:30, and then when they did changes, they always changed, to my knowledge, basically the days off that we had. And actually it was better because they were giving us 1 week day off and then our weekend day off. And then once the new, sorry, my system timed out. I have to make sure I stay in there. So if it times out again, this thing times out so quickly, guys. So phone's muted in case I get a phone call and I got to go like ASAP. But not like you wouldn't know it, because I would restart the video later. And the lighting's definitely better now. Earlier it was not good at all. I've actually redone this video We're on number 3 now, which is not unusual at all. Go figure on that note. So, on that note, too, the other companies that I've been hearing about that are hiring, let's see here, for work-at-home jobs, we do have Progressive hiring licensed insurance agents. With Progressive, I think that they will actually help you to get your licensing. And the one good thing about the company that I'm with, they will get you licensed in all 50 states for whatever line they decide that you're going to work in, like life and health position. Right now we're doing senior enrollment. When senior enrollment starts, we will be. And so that's why it's slow enough right now for me to do a video in between calls. And anyway, it will start to pick up in the next couple weeks. So their high season is from November 1st till December 7th. And then after that, I think they put us over in the customer service in the sales department right now. And then after that, don't know. They do have lots of different lines available. Like I said, they do have travel lines. They do have cell phone provider lines. I've seen some other random job opportunities come through as well. So definitely a very big company. And they do hire worldwide. I think I did say that. And then, like I was saying, the other companies, of course, Live Ops and Arise are always hiring. And I did say Progressive, I know that one. And then I was trying to think of a few others that had come through my inbox. But since we're on take 3, the AAA Auto Club, I've seen that one come through. I'm not too sure on that one. They did interview me, and then they were talking heavily about hiring me, and then they just didn't. And then they reached out to me a month later and said, oh, guess what, we're hiring again. No, I'm not wasting my time there. Apple.com is hiring for work-at-home agents too, and then that job link I will post on my video probably in the next 24 to 48 hours. You guys can check back for those links. Sorry, my allergies are horrible. I know I say that every video. This time of year, it's only going to get worse. And I need to get Claritin D, and they were completely out of Claritin D. Go figure. And then for the other companies that are hiring, oh yeah, I was trying to think of who I had said in my earlier retakes. Sykes.com I've seen hiring. SYKES.com. They had good training, kind of a bit lowish pay. They may have upped it recently. U-Haul.com is hiring for work-at-home agents. They're on the low side as well. And then there is AmericanExpress.com. Good luck. I have a ton of service experience, a ton of customer service experience and sales experience, and made it to the 3rd interview with them, and they still came back and said, nope, sorry. Excuse me. And I was just like, okay, whatever. So, anyway, that all brings me to where I'm at now. Sorry, big white van outside. You know the stories about the big white van always coming by to get you. Well, there's a big white van driving slowly by my house. Anyway, I like the gaming chair. When I figured I was going to be working at home, I got that off Amazon. 99 bucks off Amazon. I will leave the link down below for you guys. My handy dandy phone holder. It's okay. It adjusts at every single position, and you guys are suspended in midair. So I definitely like that. I can try to leave that link down below. Not 100% certain if I love it, because it didn't really add to the lighting too much, which is really why I bought it. But I also didn't have it on bright because I didn't want it big round globe bright in my eyes either. So when I saw the sunshine, I actually whipped out the phone and started recording. That's what YouTubers do, right? Look, sunshine, let's record. So guys, I will leave all the links down below for you guys. Speaking of down below, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. My system's trying to time out again. And then if you also like it, let me know, and then you can share it on your social media. I would greatly, greatly appreciate that. Also, check out Theunpopularmom.com. I'll spin you around real quick here. You know, I have it on in the background. My pink Marcy cup, also off of Amazon. The ladder, who knows where it came from. Possibly Amazon. My husband gets a lot of crap from Amazon. But that is a new banner. I know it's reversed for you guys. Happy child, happy life. I decided to kind of gear it toward things that will help you bond with your child better, no matter what age, such as journaling. More on that later. So go ahead, and on the website too, you guys can scroll down and get notifications sent to your inbox. Yay! I will be sending out more emails, helpful emails to you guys too. Lots of great deals out there available. I'll switch off of the ladder. Don't like that view. That's another thing about this. I can spin you guys all around. I can give you a glance. Here's a work screen. Can't give you more than that, but I love y'all. Not gonna, that's my job for that. But anyway, I do enjoy the job a whole lot, and we will see you guys later. Bye.